Welcome to Forestry Tech. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an aspiring logger, you'll be amazed by the capabilities of the equipment that's transforming the way we harvest, transport, and process timber. Prepare to be blown away by the sheer might of these machines. Felling a tree on a hillside presents unique challenges compared to level ground. The slope significantly influences the direction of fall, requiring precise calculations to avoid dangerous kickbacks or rollovers. Factors like lean, root structure, and even wind direction become amplified on an incline. A skilled faller will carefully assess these elements and directional cuts to ensure a safe, controlled descent. Wow! Observe the precision and efficiency of this lumberjack. His movements are a testament to years of honed skill and intimate knowledge of wood grain and tree behavior. The Peterbilt 359, a chrome-plated dinosaur, roaring defiance at the dawn of the electric age. That 3,406 cat engine, a mechanical heart beating with raw power, a testament to a bygone era of diesel-fueled dominance. Peterbilt trucks? Nah. They're not trucks. They're land yachts, chrome-plated dinosaurs, rolling sculptures of American swagger. They're unexpectedly beautiful. Who knew wood chips could be so exciting? The PTH-1200, with its massive 660mm drum, turns ordinary logs into a flurry of fuel. And with a 1200mm wide inlet, it's like the hungry, hungry hippo of the forestry world. Seriously, folks? A clear path and a speedy cleanup are key to avoiding a real-life game over. That was a masterful display of car control. The driver exhibited a nuanced understanding of vehicle dynamics, maintaining optimal throttle input to preserve momentum through the maneuver. The SpaltFix S410 Vario is a marvel of engineering, capable of processing logs up to 41 centimeters in diameter with ease. Its integrated PowerCut 410 sawing unit allows for precise joystick-controlled cutting to customizable log lengths ranging from 12 to 33 centimeters. The hydraulic rocker then seamlessly transfers the cut logs to the auto-split unit for splitting. This splitting action is fully adjustable, yielding billets with edge lengths from 4 to 15 centimeters. You know, it's like you see a tree that's fallen and you think, oh, it's safe now. But what you don't see is how much tension the tree was under. Well, look what we have here. A 87 Peterbilt 359 in all its glory. 425 horses of pure American muscle ready to hit the open road. And Old Smoky Jerk? A name with personality just like its owner, I'm sure. This is why you never underestimate the power of nature. Let's see how they get out of this mess. This Valmet 840.3 logging truck is seriously stuck. I mean, buried in mud. We're talking about a machine designed to conquer any terrain, and it's totally defeated. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire.
Oh, Tim! Oh, timber!
Wow, just wow. Look at that trunk. It's like this tree has been here forever. A giant cedar, hundreds of years old, and it's seen it all. But check out how the logger took it down. Smooth, clean, not a single wasted move. Like a dance.
Oh yeah! There she goes!
And can you believe how big around it is? Over 8 feet. It's even more amazing than I thought it would be. If you want to see something that will blow your mind, look at this. Life's a lot like trucking. You gotta be tough, you gotta be resilient, and you gotta keep moving forward no matter what obstacles are in your way. These truckers, they get it. They embody that spirit of perseverance. Well, if I were there, a little distance is your best friend. That chain can kick back faster than you can blink, and you don't want to find out the hard way. Let's talk ash trees. If you see one that looks dead or dying, it's probably been attacked by those pesky emerald ash borers. These little guys burrow into the wood and make it super brittle. Cutting down an infested tree is risky business. It could snap and fall in unexpected ways. Stay safe out there.
Woo! Yeah. Woohoo! Ha ha! Oh boy.
Whoa, did you catch that? 1 minute there's a tree, the next, bam! Wood chips everywhere. The Dennis Simath Industrial Mulchers is crazy power, right? This is how they used to make lumber. No skimping, no cutting corners. These old mills could handle massive logs, and the quality? Top-notch. These days, it's all about profit, not pride. That's why we keep these old-timers running. They're a reminder of how things should be done. In the evolving landscape of renewable energy, the NHS 450F emerges as a strategic asset. Its impressive capacity and precisely calibrated chip output position it as an ideal solution for heating plants seeking to optimize biomass fuel production. The University of Copenhagen study underscores its efficacy in this regard. By integrating the NHS 450F into your operations, you're not just processing wood waste, you're strategically aligning your organization with a sustainable future. Guys, this house is like totally doomed. And that tree? It's giving me major demolition vibes. What do you think is gonna happen? These beasts are a staggering 20 feet high, 60 feet long, and 14 feet wide. Motorists who underestimate their size and power? Let's just say it doesn't end well. Yielding is the only way to survive an encounter with these giants.
Oh my God.
It's a second.
All right, folks, check this out. This Ripper ain't winning any beauty pageants, but boy, can it get down and dirty? Kobelco's engineers are geniuses. They've made this thing work perfectly with the SK160's hydraulics. Boom. Maximum power, maximum efficiency. Look at it tear through that soil. Roots, gone, stumps, history. This little guy is a demolition machine. Who needs fancy when you've got power like this?
Because you flick them and then the rocks flick off the top, those little rocks. And I'll end up breaking this stump apart before. Oh no, he's coming. That's what I thought, break it apart. Those, when they're old like that, they'll just break in a couple pieces, which is good. Shake it out. Nice. Catch you guys on the next one. I'm just gonna pile into a nice pile.
Comment with the number 1 if you like this sound. This logger's got the ultimate tool, the Ponce Forwarder with the Nizela 425C head. It's a game changer, folks. Watch this. Felling, processing, loading. Boom, boom, boom. No downtime, no messing around. And check out that NCU3 control system. It's like it's reading the tree's mind. This is how you get the job done, people. Maximum efficiency, maximum results. Remarkable. This cheesy wood giant is estimated to be 1,000 years old. Observing its journey to the sawmill is captivating, yet poignant. The sheer precision of these wood-cutting machines is a testament to engineering prowess. But witnessing such a venerable tree felled is truly a shame. A fascinating, albeit melancholic spectacle.
Whoa.
These are the clumsiest guys I've ever seen. You know what I love about this sawmill? It's so easy to use. Logasol really gets it. They understand what woodworkers need. This depth adjustment? Simple, intuitive. Even if you're just starting out, you'll be making perfect cuts in no time. It's that user-friendly. And the quality? Top-notch. Swedish-made, folks. Whoa, those LKT81 turbos are absolute workhorses. But let me tell you, overloading them like that with a well loader is a recipe for disaster. You're going to be staring down a major overhaul in no time, maybe even less than a year. Let's analyze this intriguing scenario. We have a formidable M923 military truck pitted against an unyielding obstacle, a tree stump. This unexpected matchup raises a critical question. Can raw power overcome the resilience of nature? Who knew harvesting could be so elegant? The Komatsu 951, with its graceful hydraulics and the surgical precision of the C144 head, turns the rugged world of logging into a symphony of efficiency. It's like watching a ballet dancer wield a chainsaw, but in a really, really good way. Oh my gosh, did you see that? This Timber Pro just crushed it. That seeder didn't stand a chance. Talk about power. This is what I call a game changer, people. A total beast mode moment.